Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Go to Be a Java Programmer. Today is day 53 of our coding journey. Yesterday we explored the object class methods equals, toString, and hash code. Today we'll dive into the concepts of downcasting and upcasting in Java. These concepts are crucial for understanding how object references work in Java. Let's get started. Today we are going to have a look at downcasting and upcasting. So before talking about downcasting and upcasting, we should recall what typecasting is. Now let's say I have a variable d which is of type double, and I wanted to save this double d again in some other variable, but the variable is of type integer. Okay, so if I assign double d in integer a, of course it shows me an error because d is of type double and a is of type int, right? So it shows me an error. Let's see what the error is. Type mismatch error. So it cannot convert from double to integer. The reason why it cannot do is because of data loss. So of course, when if we convert 4.5 to integer, we get some data loss, right? It should become 4. But for us, it is okay. We just wanted to save it in A, even though data loss okay happens. So what we can do is we can typecast it. How we will be typecasting it? Inside the parentheses, we'll be mentioning it to convert it into what. So now let's print this and see. Yes, you got the answer as 4. Now this is basically known as typecasting. Now let's see what upcasting and downcasting means, okay? I'm creating a class. I'm creating two classes, class A and class B, okay? And I'm extending a class. Basically, I'm trying to bring inheritance here. And let me create a method. Okay. So what you so I created two classes and also have created inheritance, and I made A as the superclass and B as the subclass. And just for simple sake, in order to understand the concept, I've created a two simple methods in two different classes and I'm just printing it. Okay, that's all. I'm not doing anything else complex. And I'm going to create an object for class A. Okay. Okay, so using this object, I can call show A, right? Now it happens. Of course, if I run, I'll be getting this as my output. But will I be able to print use this object and call the show B method which is in class A? No, it shows me an error because of course the object which we have created is for class A and not for class B. Class A doesn't even know whether class B exists or not. Only class B knows that class A exists because of the uh, inheritance. But class A doesn't know whether class B exists or not, and that's why we are getting this error. But we can also do this, but still you cannot print the method which is in class B, and you know why? Because the object that which we are created is of class A, and that's the issue. So what you can do is, first let me talk about upcasting. Okay, in order to change the object of B of the type A, I can use this like how we made the variable D in of type int. Just like that, I am making the object B of type A. Okay, so that I can print the method show A. Of course, even it is not necessary to explicitly mention it here. Even without doing it, it happens in the backstring and it allows us to print this because of the inheritance which is here. Okay, since we are making a subclass to become a type of a superclass, this is known as upcasting. Okay, now I wanted to print show B. So in order to print show B, what I can do, obviously I cannot use object A. What I can do is I can create an object of type B and create it. So instead of doing new B of, it is the same thing which is here, right? So in order to store it, I'll be just straight away using object. But it shows me an error because it is of type A. So you can do it downcasting. So I've made it into the type B. I made it into type B. Since the type parent class is made down into the type subclass, it is known as downcasting. And now we can call show B. Now shall we run and see? Yes. Okay. I hope you understood the terms upcasting and downcasting. So basically, upcasting means making the subclass into the type of a superclass, and downcasting means making the object from a superclass to the subclass. Okay. Thank you. Upcasting means implicit casting of a subclass object to a superclass type. It is safe and does not require an explicit cast, whereas downcasting means it's an explicit casting of superclass reference back to a subclass type. It requires an explicit cast and can throw class cast exception if the cast is not valid. Thank you for joining me on day 53 of Let's Go to Be a Java Programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 54. Happy coding!